Hey guys, today I am going to make a video on the technical questions the Nagaro company asked in their boot camp on campus and off campus. It is a 3 time repeated questions continuously. As I already made a video on the quant section, which is also a repeated boot camp on campus and on off campus questions. You can watch it from my channel. So let's start the video. The first question they asked is the breadth first search algorithm has been implemented using the queue data structure. One possible order of visiting the nodes of the following graph is, as the answer is C, because it cannot be a BFS as the traversals start with the M, but O is visited before N and Q. In BFS, all adjancents must be visited before adjancents. So, and the the questions are already in the Geeks for Geeks website. You can see from them see from that, and I also provided the link of these questions in description. So the next question they asked is the what is the number of swaps required to sort an element using selection sort in the roast case, and here the answer is ON. Here is selection sort algorithm for sorting in ascending order. And the next question they asked is the minimum number of arithmetic operations required to evaluate the polynomial expression for a given value of x using only one temporary variable, and the answer is B. And the fifth question is also the repeated question. You have an array of n elements. Suppose you implement quick sort by always choosing the central element of the array as the pivot. Then the tightest upper bound for the roast case performance is, and the answer is A. Now the next question. In a simple uniform hashing, what is the search complexity? As they give the answer, the complexity is O1 plus alpha. O1 plus alpha. Now the next question is, which one of the following algorithm design technique is used in finding all pair of shortest distance in a graph? And the answer they gave is the dynamic programming. As guys, these are the most repeated questions. You just go to the description, I will provide the link for that. And the next question they asked is the median. Okay, this is the question. The median of an element can be found in O(n) time. Which one of the following is correct about the complexity of quicksort? In which medium is selected as a pivot? And the answer they give is the O(n) log n complexity. Okay, now the next question they asked suppose we have an ON algorithm that finds a median of unsorted array. Now consider quicksort implementation, where we first find a median using the above algorithm. Then we use median as a pivot. What will be the roast case time complexity of the modified quicksort? And the answer they give is ON log n. And the next question they ask is the wait guys, wait. Okay, the next question they ask. Mm, yes, this is the question. Let A be a square matrix of size n into n. Consider the following program. What is the expected output? You have to find the output of the program, and the answer they gave is the matrix A itself. Next, the next question is, which of the following statement is true for undirected graph? P, number of odd degree vertices is even. Q, sum of degrees of all vertices is even. And the answer they give is both P and Q. You can go through an answer. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, so the next question they asked, in heap with n elements with the smallest element at the root, the seventh smallest element can be found in time. The answer they gave is the O1, and this question also asked in GATE CS 2003. And now the next one is the time complexity of DFS if the entire tree is traversed is this, where v is the number of node. In the case of a graph, the time complexity, the answer they give is O v plus e, O v plus e, O v plus e, where v is the number of vertices and e is the number of edges. Okay, set 22. Yes, this is the next question. A program P read in 500 integer in the range representing the score of 500 students. It then prints the frequency of each score above 50. What would be the best way for P to show the frequencies? And the answer they give is an array of 50 numbers. Okay, set 22. Best case efficiency. Yes, best case efficiency of bubble sort in improvised version. And the answer they gave okay, wait a minute. Answer they gave, I think the answer they gave okay, wait a minute. So you can check these question in the net and you will find the answer. As they said, view answer in an app. You can find it from the Google. I will provide you question. It didn't show the answer, I don't know. Okay, so move to the next question. This is the last question. Total 15 questions asked in bootcamp, on campus and off campus, and all are same. Now the question is, consider the directed graph given which one of the following is true. The graph doesn't have a topological ordering. Both PQRS and SRPQ are topological ordering. Both PSRQ and SPRQ are topological ordering. PSRQ is the only topological ordering. And the answer they gave is the C. The graph doesn't contain any cycles, so there exists a topological ordering. So guys, these are the total 15 questions. You have to go through it. These are the repeated questions. So you can get it from the description. I will provide the link in the description. So I also made a video on quant section. You can watch it from my channel. And I also made a video on the on campus and on campus placements, IBM, Microsoft, and some other Capgemini companies. So you also can watch it from my channel. Okay, thank you guys.